You've heard about Paracress flower oil, and now you're wondering, is it right for you? Which one should you choose? I'll tell you about this one. I had heard about it too, and I wanted to do some research first. And what I found when I was doing research is that a couple of different places were saying that Paracress is like nature's Botox. And the way it works is that it helps diminish the little micro-contractions in your face. And so I decided to try this one, and I really like it. And I don't know if you can tell because the bottle's green, but I have used this much of it so far. So let me show it to you. It does have a dropper. It is a glass bottle, and it looks like it's going to be green, but it's actually clear. I'm just going to do one drop. It is an oil, but it's very, very lightweight, and it absorbs really quickly. So just like that. So here's how you use it. That's your next question, right? You are going to wash your face. You are going to put the Paracress oil, and you just do a couple drops in your hand, warm it up like this, and then just rub it all over your face in kind of upward motions like that. You could do your neck too. And then just follow it up with your favorite moisturizer. You can do it morning and night, twice a day. So that's why I like this one. This is the first one that I bought. It's the only one that I bought. So I really like this, and I do recommend it. Thanks. Who has used Paracress oil? I am so curious. If you have, please put your experiences with it down in the comments. And if you like this video, hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more product reviews of cool products like this, please hit subscribe.